Welcome to another Tulum series of Sojourner's Lands. From the ancient wonder of Chichén Itzá to the refreshing waters of Tsukan Cenote and the vibrant Tulum Beach Road, this episode takes us deep into history, culture, and coastal charm. Join us in this episode. In our last episode, we explored the ruins of Tulum, discovered the famous Vena La Luz, and enjoyed the fun of Bahia Principe. If you missed it, you'll find the link in the description below. Day 4 began early with breakfast at Yumm Restaurant before meeting our tour group. We booked through Xcaret, conveniently located in the resort, which included transportation, tickets, and lunch.
Pero no conocemos a los otros, así que, bueno, pónganse cinturones, seguridad muy importante.
After a 3-hour ride, we arrived at Chichén Itzá, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. No need to wait in ticket line. Everything was covered in our package. Outside the entrance, local vendors greeted us with traditional Mayan crafts and clothing. Our guide began with the Great Ball Court, the largest in Mesoamerica, where Mayans played a ceremonial game with life or death stakes. The lower temple of the Jaguars is attached to the side of the Great Ball Court, and it gets its name from the carved jaguars that decorate the walls and columns. Jaguars were sacred in Maya culture, symbolizing power, strength, and the underworld. Then the most iconic structure, El Castillo, or the Temple of Kukulkan. This pyramid served as a calendar, and during the equinox, shadows formed the illusion of a serpent descending its steps. If you clap near its base, the sound echoes like a quetzal bird, an incredible Mayan design. Another fascinating structure here at Chichén Itzá is the Templo de las Grandes Mesas, or the Temple of the Large Tables. This building takes its name from the large stone tables or altars found inside, which were likely used in ceremonies and offerings to the gods. The Temple of the Warriors rises with the iconic chalk mold statue for offerings, flanked by rows of warrior columns. Beside it, the group of 1,000 columns once supported a vast hall, together symbolizing the Mayas' blend of strength, ceremony, and sacred ritual. After the guided tour, we had free time to grab snacks and soak in the history before heading to our next stop. Not far from Chichén Itzá, we arrive at Tsukan Santuario de Vida, a cenote sanctuary designed to honor both nature and Mayan culture. Surrounded by lush jungle, the grounds felt calm and inviting after the heat of Chichén Itzá. Our tour included lunch here with traditional dishes and refreshing drinks, a welcoming break before swimming. To enter the cenote, the process is simple but important. First, you'll place your belongings in a secure locker for a small fee, keeping the pathways and swimming area clear. Next, everyone takes a quick rinse in the outdoor showers, an important step to protect the cenote's fragile ecosystem by removing sunscreen oils even before entering the water. Before stepping down, each visitor is given a life vest, which is mandatory. Even strong swimmers are encouraged to wear one, not only for safety but to help preserve the cenote floor by keeping people floating on the surface, rather than standing on delicate rocks formations. A cenote is a natural sinkhole formed by collapsed limestone, exposing underground rivers. For the Mayans, cenotes were sacred gateways to the underworld. The waters of Tsukan Cenote were cool, deep, and refreshing, perfect after the heat of Chichén Itzá. Around the cenote, you'll find a Mayan house built in the traditional style with thatch roofing. Inside, you can see how the Maya lived, cooking on clay stoves, resting in hammocks, and using handmade tools, offering a glimpse into their connection with land and daily life.
Here have fire, have tables, have other instruments they use it, for example, the fresh water and other, and for example, other characters.
We ended the visit with a relaxing drink at the bar before returning to the resort, closing out an incredible day 4.
Morning has broken, our windows are open.
Day 5 was slower paced. We enjoyed a calm morning at Bahia Principe luxury Akumal and the Grand Tulum Resort, swimming, strolling the beach, and just people watching.
Hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own.
Lunch was at the Yucatán buffet restaurant at Grand Tulum, a great spot for a variety of food.
So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you.
In the afternoon, we returned to Tulum Beach Road, also known as Carretera Tulum-Boca Paila, a scenic 3.5-kilometer strip running from Xcaret to the iconic Follow the Dream site. This vibrant road is lined with boutique hotels, chic beach clubs, cozy cafes, and colorful art installations, making it the heartbeat of Tulum's beach zone.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms.
As we strolled along, we paused at the public beach to soak in the stunning Caribbean views. The soft white sand, turquoise waters, and gentle waves creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Continuing our walk, we stopped at Aldo's, a popular Mexican ice cream shop, to cool off with refreshing treats and take a short break before exploring the rest of the strip.
Never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer.
Walking this stretch gives you a real feel for Tulum's unique mix of Bahian charm, coastal beauty, and lively local culture. As we reflect in Psalm 24:1, the earth is the Lord's and everything in it. As we explored Chichén Itzá, swam in the sacred waters of Tsukan Cenote, and walk along Tulum Beach Road, we are reminded that all creation reflects God's beauty and care. For every step we take is an opportunity to marvel at His handiwork, find peace in His presence, and embrace the adventure He has for us. Thank you for joining us on day 4 and 5 of our Tulum journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, every step leads to the greatest destination.